So hi everyone, I am here to show you how to cause a recipe, but before doing that, we have to make sure that all our unit matches before we proceed, and all the weight equivalents must include in our calculation. So let's start. For the first recipe, I'm doing um, costing for one. So here is our portion size, the price, and then the sizes of the item. So let's start with the first item, the arrowroot cookie. So I have 3 packs here. So three packs, so we don't need to convert nothing because it's already given our weight equivalency. So there's 2 crackers in 1 pack, and then the price is $36.59 per 300 crackers. So after calculating that, that gives us 73 cents. So let's pop them in our Excel. So basically we're just whatever we did in our calculation, just popping it in our Excel. Sorry, multiply by 2, close bracket. The price is 36 divided by 300 crackers, percenter 73 cents, same thing. So for the next item, we have 6 chicken soup base. So 6 tablespoon here, we have 6 tablespoon. So in 1 cup, there's 16 tablespoon based in our conversion class last time, unit, sorry. So we have to go to pounds, so we have to convert further. So we're gonna use this weight equivalency. So 1.5 pounds and 2 cups. So just copy the price. So $18.06. So if you see this number, that means we have to multiply this kind of number. So 4 multiplied by 3, that gives us 12. So our new number is 12 pounds. So after calculating that, that gives us 42 cents. I'm gonna put them in our Excel. So 6 divided by 16 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 2 cups, close bracket, multiplied by the price divided by the 12, close bracket. That gives us 42 cents. So for the next item, we have 180 ml. So we're gonna use 235 grams, as we can see in our weight equivalence, for 200 ml. So you have to go to ounces, so we have to convert further. So in 1 ounce, we're using hard conversion here. So in 1 ounce, there's 30 grams. And just copy the price, $25.32. So again, 6 multiplied by 100. 6 multiplied by 100, that gives us 600 ounces. So we have 600 ounces here, and then our final answer would be 30 cents. And in our Excel, so 180 multiplied by 235 divided by 200 divided by 30 grams, close bracket, and then the price, $25.32 divided by 600 ounces, close bracket. That gives us 30 cents. So for our next item, we have orange pepper. So we have 11 each. So in 1 pound, there's 4 orange pepper. So as the weight equivalency says, so we have to go to kilograms. In order to do that, we have to convert it. There's 1 kilograms. In 1 kilograms, there's 2.2 pounds. And we're just gonna copy the price, $10.99 per 1 kg. So after doing that, that gives us $13.74. So let's plug in our Excel. So 11 green peppers divided by 4 divided by 2.2 pounds, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $10.99, close bracket, that gives us $13.74. So for our next, for the last item in our first recipe, we have eggs. So we have 5 eggs here, 5, and then we just copy the price of $11.66. So here we need to go to dozen, but we all know that there's 12 pieces in 1 dozen, so 3.5 multiplied by 12, that gives us 42 eggs. So here we're gonna change this one into eggs to match the unit. So it's 42 eggs, and after computing all of it, that gives us $1.39 for our eggs, and then just put it in our Excel. 5 multiplied by the price $11.66 divided by 42 eggs, close bracket, that gives us $1.39, same as our computation. So here we're gonna go for our second recipe that yields 30 servings. So same way. So here the chopped potatoes for the first ingredient, same way as what we did in the first recipe. So there we have 3 cups here. So in 1 cup there's 250 ml, and we're gonna use the weight equivalency of 225 grams per 180 ml. And in order to go to pounds, as we can see here, we have to go to pounds. We have to convert further. So in 1 pound, that gives us 500 grams, and then just copy the price. So $14.27 per 10 pounds. So after doing that, that gives us $2.68. So you can plug them in our Excel. So 3 cups multiplied by 250 multiplied by 225 divided by 180 divided by 500 grams, close bracket, and then the price of $14.27 divided by 10 pounds, close bracket, that gives us $2.68. So for the next item, it's the lima beans. So we have 6 cups here. Sorry, 6 cups, and we need to go to kilograms, so we have to convert. So there's 250 ml in 1 cup. So here we need, here in our equivalent weight equivalency, we have to convert the liters into milliliters because we're looking for milliliters here. So in 1 liter there's 1,000 milliliter. So I just copy 1.8 kilograms and then copy the price of $29.80 for the lima beans. So here we have to multiply again. 4 multiplied by 2.2, that gives us 8.8 kilograms. So just plug in here 8.8 kilograms. After computing all of that, that gives us $9.14. So here 6 cups multiplied by 250 multiplied by 1.8 divided by 1,000 milliliters, and then the price of $29.80 divided by 8.8 kilograms, close bracket, that gives us $9.40. So for the dried thyme, next third ingredient, so we have 5 tablespoons here. So in 1 cup there's 16 tablespoons in our conversion unit. So we have to go to grams, so we need to convert further. So there's 1.8 ounces in 0.5 cup, as the weight equivalency says. So ounces and grams are different units, so we have to convert further. So there's 30 grams in 1 ounce, and just copy the price of $15.30 per 400 grams. Sorry, 400 grams. And after computing all of that, that gives us $1.29 for dry time. Then we have to plug them in Excel. So 5 tablespoons divided by 16 multiplied by 1.8 divided by 0.5 cups multiplied by 30 grams, close bracket, multiplied by the price of $15 and $15.30 divided by 400 grams. That gives us $1.29. So for our next ingredients, we have clove garlic. We have 3 cloves here, and we have to go to pounds. So we have 80 grams. We're using the weight equivalency right now. So there's in 80 grams there's 12 cloves. So using that, so in order to go to pounds, we have to convert further. So there's in 1 pound there's 30 grams, and we just copy the price of $25.24 per 5 pounds. So after doing that, that gives us 20 cents for the cost of clove garlic. So just do that, our Excel. 3 cloves multiplied by 80 divided by 12 cloves divided by I missed something here. It's not 30 grams. Sorry, my bad. In 1 pound, there's 500 grams, not 30 grams. Sorry, it's my mistake. So 500 grams. So let's do this again. 3 cloves multiplied by 80 divided by 12 cloves and divided by 500 grams, close bracket, multiplied by the price, $25.24. Sorry, forgot my bracket there, divided by 5 pounds. That gives us 20 cents. So for the last ingredients, we have vegetable broth. So we have 200 fluid ounces, and we have to go 2 ml. So in order to do that, in 1 fluid ounce, there's 30 ml. And just copy the price, $3.29 per 800 ml. And by doing that, that gives us $2.47 for the cost of vegetable broth. So 200 fluid ounces multiplied by 30, close bracket, and then the price is $3.29 divided by 800 ml. That gives us, hold on, give me 1 sec. Okay, so that gives us $24.68. So for the total cost of ingredients, we just have to sum it up. And $37.99. So for the cost of waste, so the total cost multiplied by 0.08, that gives us $3.04. So for the total cost, we just have to sum these two. So for the total cost, we just have to add total cost and then the waste. That gives us $41, and then the selling price is $7.60.